Burgundy eyeliner and mascara is so slept on, and it is the perfect touch to elevate your eyes. It's blue, brown, green, purple, whatever eye color you have. It is so beautiful and the easiest way to enhance your eyes. If you don't know how to do any types of eyeshadow or eye makeup, I feel like this is your time to shine. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started and let me show you how I got this eye makeup. In today's video, we're going to be trying this burgundy eyeliner and mascara from Maybelline. I feel like it is so fun and cool. Burgundy eyeliner is to make blue eyes pop and of course enhance brown eyes. I have brown eyes, so we're gonna be testing it and I'm really excited. So let's just get to it. Eye makeup is a game changer for people who don't really know how to do eye makeup. It really looks like you tried when you actually didn't. So yeah, let's just get to it and let's start. I already curled my lashes, of course, with my Japanese lash curler. It's linked to my Amazon storefront. I'll link everything down below for you guys. I have color and I have natural discoloration, natural eyeshadow. I did just put my Milani bronzer all the way up and contoured my eye shape a little bit. Since we're not going to be doing eyeshadow and I want to keep this as beginner friendly as possible, so yeah, so if you have a bronzer, cream bronzer or powder bronzer, whichever you like, and you haven't contoured your eyes, just go ahead and do that. I usually just use my fingers and just go like this and then take it all the way up and go like that and then blend it out. That is like the most basic way I can explain it. This eyeliner is so pretty. I've tried the brown one and it is so easy to work with, so I'm really excited to try this as well. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go for like a wing liner with a little bit enhancing the inner corners as well, just to make my eyes look a little bit more dramatic and like I actually tried. Depending on your eye shape, do that type of eyeliner that would actually work for you. As long as you feel good, who cares, you know? So for me, I am going to start and create a baby wing first. Look down at an angle, not fully down, but like, you know, at an angle like this. So my mirror is at this tip and my eyes are right here. That way you can see and your eyelid is pretty open. So yeah, and lift your eyebrows as well. It helps. And I always start, you see where my waterline is? I'm gonna create a line like that. Clean finger and the nail part, and then I just extend it and like that. And we're gonna clean it up, so even if you mess up, it's totally fine. And then I go, this is the middle, right? So I go a little bit right here, so 3/4 way. I'm going to create a wing. So I like to just start from here and I see the invisible line of going like this, or you can start from here, so 3/4 way, and then we're just going to connect the two, fill it in, and then you can just fix it up. I'm just going to blend the two and just staying as close as possible to my lash line, and I'm just creating a very thin line. And then I'm gonna stop right here, like you see right here. I'm gonna stop, and then let's do the inner corner now. When doing the inner corner, you want to follow the natural shape of your eyes, but you don't want it to go downwards because then your eyes are going to look downwards unless you make this wing to balance it out. But then again, too dramatic unless you want that type of look. So start right here. Connect it to the inside. And then I like where it's going, so I'm going to stop there and then I'm going to connect it to the inside right here. Again, when doing eye makeup, concealer is going to be your best friend because you can just shape shift and conceal any part that you don't like, or if you mess up, and no one's gonna know. I don't want too pointy either. You already know I'm gonna be using my Jones Road because I feel like it is so easy to use and the consistency is quite literally perfect. So I'm going to just shape it up, lift it like this. Then just blend it downwards. So clean. In your makeup routine, you're gonna want a flat angle brush like this, just saying, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on it. And then let's see, the brows up and then angle it. It looks so good. And now we're going to do mascara, the fun part. And yeah, I haven't used this, but it's so pretty. I have a full-on tutorial as well if you're interested on my mascara routine, tips and tricks I use to make my lashes look very nice and voluminous and just very lengthening. So if you are interested and you need tips and tricks to maximize your lashes as well, then go to my video and enjoy. And I hope you find it helpful. But for the sake of this routine, I will say that whenever I do mascara, I don't like wasting products, and also because my family didn't grow up rich, so that really stuck with me. Even at this age, I feel like I just can't waste. Whenever I have extra product you see on this bristle, we don't waste that. We just put it on the lashes first. So I go like this and put it all over the lashes because we're going to blend it right after. So going, and now let's apply. Okay, next time I would actually do my mascara before my eyeliner because I feel like the eyeliner on my lashes is making it really difficult to put on mascara right now. Whenever I do my mascara, I don't go like this because it just makes your lashes look very clumpy, unless you like that look. Sometimes I do it, but most of the time I don't. I use a lash separator. Just give me a second. Okay, I couldn't find my lash separator, but I have this tweezer and brow tool, so I'm just gonna use this to separate my lashes. Even if you don't have a tool like this or a lash separator, just use your tweezers and just be very careful though, and then just go ahead and just separate it. I don't know why anybody would spend so much money on mascara when there is Maybelline mascara. I'm going to just do a super light 1 coat of mascara on my lower lashes. This is 2 coat of mascara and it looks so nice. Using my fingertip after like 2 seconds. Let it dry first. And then we're gonna slowly close, hold, and then go upwards. Yeah. Just going in with this Winky Lux highlighter, which is super creamy and natural, and I'm going to put it on this side right here. You can do either on the top or here, but I think it just gives this area a little bit more lifting effect. So yeah, I'm gonna, then let's do a little bit on the brow bone to use this black liner and align the top. And it just makes the biggest difference because you don't want to see the waterline. It just looks choppy and not complete. So same thing here, we want the most of our, we just want to look like we know what we're doing. So yeah, and this is from CoverGirl. It is so good. It is also, it doesn't smudge either, so I really like. And then for this part, because I didn't put any makeup right here, this area, I'm going to take the eyeliner and line it so my eyes still look super full. That way my eyes just look complete and full. And then to finish off the eye makeup, okay, I don't know where my cream liner is, so we're just going to compromise a little. My cream liner literally broke and I can't find the other one, so we're just going to use the eyeshadow. And then this is from Urban Decay, so I'm going to, hoping this works actually because I've never tried it on my waterline. Okay, it's working. So I'm going to just put this on my waterline. That way whenever you put this, it just makes your eyes pop a little bit and doesn't make your eyes look as closed off. And all the way to the inside, I'm just keeping it this area, so from here to here. The look, and this is the final look. I did use a little bit of this CoverGirl blush to match the eyeliner. So pretty. I didn't expect to like it as much. I always say that, but I honestly did not expect to like it as much, especially because it was my first time trying it. But hey, what do you know? Whenever you try something new, that's when you figure out what you actually like and don't like. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful and encouraged to try something new. Definitely give burgundy eyeliner a shot, especially because it is so pretty. It makes your eyes pop. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe as always. Please do subscribe if you found this video helpful or you liked what you saw. Stay safe as always. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.